Nasty RT.
And she
I'm
lives
just-
here now, so she need to.
So I'm just saying you have to be mindful of these unless you have solid
Solid proof. Say nothing.
and it's been identified. I would not continue with the narrative that he essayed a young person or anything like that, because what you don't want is put yourself in a situation where someone can be benefited financially. And it be like a situation of Cardi B and Tasha K.
Okay, but I'd also like the person that went through the situation with RT. That person can be wanting to talk to Spice, and Spice probably bringing awareness to it. Also, you can see that's that way. But I feel like both of them was throwing the victims in the mix, and that's what happened. And I feel like that whole situation was wrong. But you never know. Behind closed door, none of us are getting the full story. Everybody is putting a chip here.